What an amazing, beautiful day. I'm kind of shouting because I don't know how wind and my iPhone microphone goes together. But it is like this time last year, we were about 30 centimeters, 1 foot deep in snow. And as you can see from the sea behind me, it's just fantastic. The change is crazy. How is it possible? How can it be? Look at the blue sky over my head. Just looking at the leaves, and there's red berries there. It's like amazing, unbelievable. There isn't even a contrail in the sky. It's a crystal clear blue sky over my head, with absolutely not even a contrail. I mean, I don't think the airport is closed. Wow, just wow, super, just super. And all the ducks, look, the duckies over there, mallards. They all flock en masse to this marsh in Booterstown every year to migrate to wherever they're going, or else it's the other way around, they will land here. No, I think they migrate from here.